All right. So if you look currently on the chart, you can see the current price of honey to USDC is at 0.1265. Okay, the price seems higher now. My last order was few hours ago, and you can see that I bought at 0.1190 and I sold at 0.1210. Do you understand this? Okay, you buy low, you sell high. You observe this price, the fluctuation in the price as you can see at the top left corner, okay, before you place a trade to make sure you don't encounter any loss. If you trade this well, you're not going to encounter any loss. But if you trade this badly, you're going to encounter loss. Now, if you watch when I bought at 0.1190, okay, that got me over I bought that for over $492, which gave me over 4,137 units of honey. Now, I sold it at a higher price of 0.1210. This is the entire order. It completed bit by bit. You know, one thing about um, buying and selling in the crypto space, especially when it comes to peer, okay, some of this order takes time to execute. All right, it's based on the available liquidity, all right, to complete or execute that order which you place in, because this market is not just you. It consists of you and several thousands of persons actively trading, okay, bidding for a certain price, asking for a certain price to sell, and so on and so forth. So some of your orders might take a bit of time to complete. Some might complete in percentage. You can see just like this order here where I bought and 61% was completed. Then in later on, when the market reached that same price again, the remaining percentage was completed. So do not be scared, okay? This is just to tell you that 46% of your order was completed, and when the price hits back on that certain, okay, target or limit, then you're going to sell. Now, for this market, as you can see, the price is currently higher, even more than when I sold, okay, over $0.1265. All right, it's even higher than when I sold it at this price. So that's to say, at this point, I'm going to be very, very careful. Watch for fluctuations, okay, watch for where the market is going to head. Sometimes the market can be very stable. At this point, you can see the price has still been on, is still on 0.1265. So you have to be patient, watch where the market is heading to. If the market comes down a bit, then you can place your order. So I'm just going to post this video so that when the market moves again, then I can continue from where I stop. Now, if you watch closely, you'll find out that the market is now at 0.1190. This is a very good time for me to place a very good order, all right, and make profit from this. So you can carefully see that the market is currently moving at a low of over 0.1190 and now at 0.1200. So I can place my sell order, as you can see. I can place my buy order. Look at my buy order, make sure it's on limit, and I want the limit to be at 0.1191. Okay, when it gets to 0.1191 or 0.1190, then this order is going to execute. So I'm placing a buy order of over $500 of honey at 0.1190, as you can clearly see right now. So once this order is completed, okay, once this order is fulfilled, then I'm going to place a sell order. Okay, I'm going to place a sell order. You can see I have no honey right now on this account because this buy order is yet to be executed, and you can see how the price is moving upward. So once this price, my buying price, is executed and I have over 4,207 honey with me, I'm going to place a sell order immediately at a very high price so that I make profit from it. Now, it's very, very important to note that even if your order does not complete, even if your order does not get completed 100%, all right, it can get completed partially, and which you can set sell orders for each of those partial completion. Just like you can see here, I have over 5 sell orders here, and this was as a result of partial completion of my buy order. So immediately each part was being bought, I sold immediately. All right. So it's taking time. I want you to see this live. So you can currently see that the price is increasing. Okay, the price is increasing and the market is moving. So I would keep on observing this market to see where it is heading to, the highest price it is going to. Okay, so that when I'm placing my sell order, I'm selling it at the highest price, that I'll be able to make a very high profit from my trade. So that is just basically what you're going to be doing. All right, and you're going to be making profit with this every single day. Place $15 to $30 per day, and even up to $300 to $900 every single month with this strategy. So just make sure you're paying close attention to the market. It's going to take time for some movement to happen. Make sure you are buying low and you are selling high. Always make sure you are buying low and you are selling high, and you are observing the price fluctuation. Observe the price fluctuation. Okay, don't just start selling or buying anyhow. Watch and see how low the market is going, and watch and see how high the market is going. So far, if you've watched this video, you find out that the market has always been coming down to 0.1190. It has not gone below 0.1190. And in terms of going higher, it has gone over to 0.1265, 0.1231, 0.1246, 0.1210. So this is to tell you that you can now place your sell order at those high amounts whenever your buy order is completed. So we're just going to wait for this buy order to be complete. It's still open. Once it's filled, when it's completed, you're going to see filled just like the rest. Okay, then you're going to place. Now sometimes if it's not completing, okay, you can see I've placed my buy order on 1190 and the price is quite at 1190, but yet my buy order is not getting completed. Okay, sometimes when things like this happen, all you simply need to do is just do a bit of adjustment. Okay, you're going to see the edit button here. Click on that edit button. All right, then you just adjust it. Okay, I'm putting a 1 by the side. Let's see if it's going to work. Now sometimes this adjustment might not work. Okay, once this adjustment do not work, simply just cancel the order and okay, place it with the new adjustment. So I'm placing the order with the new adjustment that I want. Okay, a one behind the zero initially. So I'm just going to place this order again and wait for the market to complete it. So like I said, you can see now that my order is over 70% complete and the price has gone up to over 1250. That means I can place my sell order at 1250 right now, and I'll place my sell order. Okay, note this price is not completed. Okay, you can see now it's now 93% completed from 76%, and you're going to see that the price is now moving from 1191 to over 1250, to over 0.1250. That is to say I'm going to be making profit from this trade. If you checked my balance, you would find out that when I started trading, we were trading with $500. Yes, we were trading with $500. Okay, we bought with at 1191 with $500. So we're going to see what the profit is going to be after our buy and trade. Okay, you can see now it's up to 1250, and you can see my sell is now 10% complete. So this is what you're basically going to be doing. You'll be paying attention to the market, looking at how the price is fluctuating. You can see that my sell order and my buy order is almost complete. This is the massive profit that this platform can give to you. You can see now I have some honey to sell. I'm going to just place 0.1250 immediately, and I'll place this. Okay, this is to tell you how much you want to sell it at. You put it on the last one, which is all. Okay, which is all. So the last cycle, which is stating that you want to sell everything. Okay, make sure it's on this, make sure it's on limit. Okay, make sure either it's buy or sell, make sure it's on limit. This is going to make me an amazing profit. Just watch this. Let's see how much profit we're going to make from this trade. From $500 to $520. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Good. So I just need to make sure this is completed. I'm going to place a buy order now immediately at that same price, at that same low price. Okay, so this time around, I'm going to put it at 0.1193 because I saw it come going down to that point. So let's just buy other. So you can be placing your orders simultaneously as they are made available. As they are made available. Just from one trade, I have made $20. This second trade might make me another $20, and that's $40 right on this live that you guys are seeing. So you have to be checking this out, looking at it, okay, making sure you look for a better range. You know what range is? The lowest to the highest, okay? The difference between the lowest and the highest, that's a range. So you find the price, how the price is going down and how the price is going up. You look for a very good entry and you position yourself, buy at that limit. Once your buy is completed, you sell at that limit. It's very simple. This is very simple. It just needs you to be smart. You just have to be smart. And I've explained every simple thing for you here. I told you the only thing you need here is the buy and sell. Make sure it's on limit, not market. Okay. Put your price. Then make sure you are selecting this last icon here, which is full. Okay. You are going in fully. All right. Then you sell or buy. Then you can edit based on what you choose. And if the edit does not work, you cancel that order and you redo it again. So make sure you watch this video again, gain everything. This is the pair we're using to make this profit. And if you're starting with just $100, your profit is not going to be large, probably $5, $8 per trade. So if you do 10 trades, you have like $50 or $80 based on how much you're making. For me right now, I have the profit. That is, I have the capital, and that is why I'm making up to like $20 per trade. Okay, so make sure that you watch this market carefully and you place your trade carefully. All right, that is just basically it. So this is the update, and at least this should take your $100 to over $500 or over $1,000 based on how far you continue to apply it. As I continue to make more videos on my journey from $100 to over $10,000 and even more than that, you're going to be getting that on my YouTube channel. So make sure to stick by, share this video, and like this video. Okay, and we're going to see another time.